And I hope nobody steals it this time, or at least not from me. What's up everyone, I'm Sketchy Brett, and today I've got a great inspiration. It came to mind because the Andy Warhol famous portrait of Debbie Harry from Blondie has recently resurfaced and been rediscovered. And it reminded me that in my matric year, over 20 something years ago, I did for my final, one of the pieces was of Andy Warhol, and ironically that was stolen from me, I think when I moved abroad for a short stint in the UK before coming back here to Cape Town, and I thought it would be fitting for me to do a portrait of Andy Warhol, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, so Jared had a very cool idea, and that is that if anybody's worked out what this means, I'm going to make that the promo code on my website. So this is available for sale. If you put in what this is in English into your promo code at the end, when you check out, you will get a how much discount?
10% is like general.
Cool. You'll get a 10% discount off this piece. So good luck. really bad. But this thing really works. I want that up in my house so bad. So here's the final piece. I am ecstatic with this one. I said to Jared just now that if I sell it, I'd be really sad to see this one go. And if somebody does buy it, I might have to put a condition there that I can come and visit it at any time. But yeah, I'm really, really excited for this piece. And I now have another Andy Warhol, and I hope nobody steals it this time, or at least not from me. If they steal it, they must steal it from somebody else who buys it from me. This piece has really taken it out of me. I feel quite drained. So I'm going to probably go and sleep. But you don't have to. You can watch one of these videos and I'll see you next time. And until then, keep it sketchy.